10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go on. Crest okay, to 5 left long, down 100, to flat right over crest, to 4 right long in, flat right over crest to 4 right long in, 40, to 6 right in, 40, then 4 left in to 2 right, 4 left in here, 2 right in, kinks 1 left long, 1 left long here, keeps going, 40 now, 6 right, 130, then 3 left on that crest, nips to an open hairpin left, just nips to an open hairpin left. Power, go on. And hairpin right, stay in on this. To 4 right opens long, push 60 to hairpin left. Go now. To 5 right in, absolute 4 left in, 40. Then 5 left opens over crest okay, 5 right in, go 100, left to hairpin right, keep in, left to hairpin right, deceptive, keep in. 5 left continues for 80, then 6 right 60, 6 right 40, then 2 left long, don't cut, and then watch it, 3 right kings, 2 left, 3 right, watch the 2 left, 2 left here, watch it, 40, 4 left long, then 60, braking hairpin right, you're okay, hairpin right, then 130. So 1 left at lane in, opens, to 6 left over crest, 40, 4 left over crest, 60 braking, hairpin left long, it keeps going, to 1 right long, tight, opens now, 6 right over crest, to 4 left in, then 130, go on, 130 now, to a hairpin right, drops down to a hairpin right, go on 70 now, to 4 left in that dip, then 150, so 4 left here in, 150, up right to 3 right in, then 40, then 5 left long brave, 5 left long brave, then 6 right okay, 60 braking, 1 left long and it nips, deceptive here, just nips for 1 left, to 5 right long, 60, 6 left over bump, up 80 to flat 6 right over crest, 40, and 5 left continues, up to a 2 left and it tightens, just goes uphill to a 2 left and it tightens, then 1 right long kinks, to 3 left, and 1 left, kinks to 1 right long, to 1 left opens, 60 through the post to a hairpin left, 1, through the post to a hairpin left, go now, 3 right, 3 left no cut, real quick now, to 6 left long okay flat, to 6 right flat, small crest long to flat, 5 right in, 100, 5 right, go on, 100 now, then 6 right, 80, flat to a hairpin right, second arrow, nice and tidy into the hairpin right, nice and tidy, push 130, flat crest and 250, absolute over here, absolute, 250 now, left entry chicane, 150, quick through in out, then 6 right, then 150, then 6 left long, and then 150, so 6 left long here, then 150, then left, crest lane and 3 left, second arrow 3 left, opens to 5 left long, it's okay, to 6 right over crest and 6 right 40, 5 left over the next crest, 40 down to 5 right, 60, then 5 right, braking, kinks 2 left and 3 right, kinks 2 left here and 3 right to a hairpin right, tightens, 3 right here to hairpin right and it tightens, 40, 1 left here opens, then 40, to 2 left, nips late, 2 left long, nips late, push now 60, to flat 6 right over crest in, then 100, big crest and jumps okay, then 150 over here, then 5 right long to open hairpin right. Hairpin right here, then 60. 4 left continues here and tightens to a 2 left in. Tightens to 2, keep her in. 60 up to 6 left, then 60. Small crest to 3 left long, in and 4 right, then 200. 4 right now, push 200 to small jump. 5 right in, fast 4 left, a hairpin right, specky area. 5 right in, you're okay. Fast 4 left to hairpin right. 40 to a 3 left cut. 3 left cut here, then fast 1 right. Push now 250. 4 right over that crest and bump. In 60 to a 3 right. 3 right here, then 80. To 6 left continues for 100. To 2 left over crest. 2 left over crest, keep in. Down to a 5 right in flat. Then 40 to 5 right long and flat. 6 left over crest, go on. 6 left here, flat 130. To 6 left over crest, it's okay. 40 to 5 right in the dip, no cut. Then crest and 6 left, it's okay. 40 to 6 right, 80 to 6 right long, then 130. 6 right long here, 130 to 3 right long. 3 right long on this one. Keep her in, then 130. 130 now to 2 left cut over crest, then 150. 2 left cut here. To 6 left in, then 80. 6 left in, then 80 to 4 left cut. 4 left cut here, then 6 right continues. 6 right continues, just nips a little, then 60 down to a 5 right. Down to a 5 right, up 40 to 5 left long over crest. 40, 4 left past shed, then 100 to hairpin left. Second arrow. Hairpin left opens, then 80. To hairpin right long, no cut. Hairpin right long, no cut. Big push now to flat 3 left. Absolute 6 right, 150. To a hairpin left, nips on the second arrow. Second arrow just nips, then 200. To 5 right in, 40 and flat 3 left in over junction. Flat 3 left and 130. Go on, power her on. 130 now. To 6 right in, 40. Then flat 6 left continues. And then it kinks 3 left in and 5 right. 3 left in here, kinks 5 right, get your line. 40. Flat 6 left long over crest. 40. To 4 right cut. Then 60. 4 right cut now, 60. To fast 3 right, throw it in. 40. To 6 left continues. 6 left continues now to a 5 right in, then 40. To 6 left continues. 6 left continues to a 5 right. Keeps going 6 left. 5 right on the red board, then 200. Well done, mate.